Are you ready to revolutionize your ride in 2025? Whether you're looking for a stable and efficient electric tricycle for commuting, adventure, or everyday convenience, we've got you covered. In this video, we're diving into the best electric tricycles for 2025, showcasing top models that offer power, comfort, and cutting-edge features. From E-Trikes designed for urban cruising to three-wheel electric bikes built for maximum stability, we'll break down the best options to fit your needs. Stay tuned to discover which electric trike is perfect for you. All product links are in the description, so be sure to check them out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon for more expert picks. If you're looking for one of the best electric tricycles for 2025, this 1000W folding electric trike is a powerhouse. Designed for performance and comfort, it boasts an impressive 22 miles per hour top speed and up to 100 miles of range on a single charge. The reverse gear and rear differential make maneuvering smooth, while the 4-inch fat tires provide excellent stability on various terrains. One of its standout features is the 450-pound weight capacity, making it a great option for larger riders or those who need extra cargo space. The front and rear baskets offer convenient storage, perfect for shopping trips or deliveries. Safety is also a priority, with UL certification ensuring top-tier electrical safety standards. This three-wheel electric bike is built for both city commuting and off-road adventures, thanks to its powerful motor and fat tires. Whether you're an adult looking for a stable ride or a senior seeking a reliable electric tricycle, this model delivers both durability and comfort. Overall, it's an excellent pick for those wanting a high-performance electric trike with top-tier features. White heavy check mark. Check out the product link in the description for more details. The Geemax electric tricycle is a great option for riders looking for a compact yet powerful electric trike. With a 500W peak motor, it can reach speeds of 20 miles per hour, making it a solid choice for both city and suburban riding. The foldable design is one of its biggest advantages, allowing for easy storage and transport. Equipped with a 36V13Ah lithium battery, this e-trike offers a decent range, perfect for daily commutes or leisurely rides. The 20-inch fat tires ensure stability on different surfaces, from paved roads to gravel paths. Another standout feature is its 80% pre-assembled build, making setup hassle-free. The UL certification guarantees electrical safety, while the rear cargo basket provides practical storage for groceries or personal items. Whether you're a senior, commuter, or someone looking for a fun and reliable three-wheel electric bike, the Geemax model is an excellent choice. If you're searching for one of the best electric tricycles for 2025, this is a great pick. White heavy check mark. Check the product link in the description for more details. For those seeking a high-performance electric tricycle, this 750W electric trike offers an exceptional balance of power, comfort, and stability. With a peak output of 1350W, it provides plenty of torque for uphill rides and rough terrain. The 20-inch fat tires ensure stability, while the hydraulic brakes deliver superior stopping power. This three-wheel electric bike features a rear motor differential, which enhances control and smooth handling, ideal for both city streets and off-road trails. The 48V13Ah battery provides a respectable range, while the foldable aluminum frame makes it easy to store and transport. Designed for adults and seniors, this e-trike is perfect for commuting, grocery runs, or recreational rides. If you're in the market for one of the best electric tricycles for 2025, this model's combination of power and comfort makes it a top contender. White heavy check mark. Find the product link in the description to learn more. The Viribus adult tricycle is a fantastic three-wheel bike for those looking for a non-electric trike with a focus on practicality. With its 7-speed gearing, it allows riders to tackle different terrains with ease. The 24-inch or 26-inch wheel options provide a smooth ride, and the 400-pound weight capacity makes it a great fit for various users. One of its standout features is the front and rear removable wheeled baskets, which make grocery shopping or carrying personal items a breeze. The sturdy frame and comfortable saddle ensure a pleasant riding experience, making it an ideal adult tricycle for both men and women. While it lacks an electric motor, this trike for adults is a reliable, low-maintenance option for those who prefer traditional pedaling. If you're considering best electric tricycles for 2025 but still want a manual alternative, this is a great choice for stability and storage. White heavy check mark. Check the product link in the description to learn more. This 20-inch fat tire adult tricycle is a fantastic option for those who need a comfortable and sturdy three-wheel bike for different terrains. The 7-speed system allows smooth shifting, making it easy to ride on inclines or flat surfaces. The fat tires provide excellent traction, ensuring stability on gravel, sand, and uneven roads. Designed for both adults and seniors, this tricycle features an adjustable handlebar and enlarged seat, prioritizing comfort for longer rides. The rear cargo basket is perfect for carrying groceries, pets, or personal belongings. Additionally, the dual disc brakes enhance safety by providing reliable stopping power in all conditions. While it's a manual adult trike, it's an excellent alternative for those who want a durable, all-terrain ride without an electric motor. If you're searching for the best electric tricycles for 2025 but still want a traditional trike, this is a well-built option worth considering. Check the product link in the description for more details.